My mom could not walk because of bone and knee pain. Since she tried this natural juice, she said goodbye to joint pain. Welcome to Top Recipes for You. Let's get started. For this natural remedy, we will need a banana. This we peel and cut into slices. The banana, or plantain as it is known in some countries, is a very good fruit for rheumatoid arthritis. This fruit contains a natural anti-inflammatory, vitamin B6. This vitamin helps to reduce inflammation in the joints in a natural way. By strengthening this system, your own body will be able to start regenerating the damaged bone tissue on its own. We will also need a small onion. This we peel and cut into small pieces. With the passing of the years and the aging of our organism, the symptoms of pain and stiffness appear in our joints. The wear and tear of bones, cartilage, tendons or tissues at a certain age produces swelling, heaviness, and loss of mobility. With old age, pains appear that we did not have during our youth, and we must learn to live with them. In addition to strengthening bones and joints, onion strengthens our immune system. Finally, we will need a spoonful of turmeric powder. Turmeric, in addition to allowing your bones to stay strong, calcium, facilitates your body to perform without any problem muscle contraction, all nerve functions and blood clotting as well. Now that we know its benefits, we add everything to the blender, add water, half a liter, cover and blend well for approximately 3 minutes. Once blended, we pass it through a strainer. In a medium bowl, with the help of a spoon, move and crush continuously to remove all the remaining liquid, discard the fiber. Ready, our smoothie to strengthen the bones is ready. Consumption mode, you will drink it every day at any time, between 1 to 2 glasses for a week.
This is the most powerful smoothie that cleanses your blood, kidneys, skin, and liver, as well as helping you lose weight. You will eliminate all waste through urine. For this recipe, we will need a few sprigs of fresh parsley. In a blender, we will add the finely chopped parsley and a cup of water. Blend everything for a few minutes. Parsley is a plant whose properties provide us with countless health benefits. The green apple provides the fiber and potassium that the body needs to stay fit. In addition, it helps reduce high blood pressure and control cholesterol levels. In the blender, we will add the apple along with the juice we obtained from the parsley and blend until the apple is completely crushed. Before continuing, I want to send a special greeting to our followers. Today we greet Maria from Argentina and Mr. Juan from California. We deeply appreciate their constant support in each of our videos. Among the minerals that the apple provides are potassium, phosphorus, and boron. The apple is one of the fruits richest in boron, a mineral that facilitates the absorption of calcium and magnesium in the body. Finally, we add the juice of 2 lemons. Take this smoothie in the morning as many times as you want, as it will work day after day, helping to eliminate all toxins from the body through urine.